Guys, welcome back to the channel. So I've got this LAMONA dishwasher. It comes on and then it says it's got the little it's hard to see, but the little light on there, and then this comes on, and then what I did find, take it down and put some water in there on the bottom of it just to test it. What's that? Wash it out as well. Give it a bit of wash out. I don't know if washed it out at the same time. And then, right. So what I do now, when I put it, close the door. So that's the part. I think that's the pump on the bottom making the sound. So it's draining it out. Right. It's draining it out. I think it might be. Might be